Hello, everybody. So we got a acoustic guitar here in for a setup. So player is relatively new. I'm gonna set it up with zero point 0.9 strings, a Dario. Then from there, I'm gonna set it up to low action, as low as it can get without buzzing, of course. The reason why I asked him to use zero point 0.9 is because his finger is relatively softer at this point. I want him to gain a bit more dexterity, a bit more uh, power to his fingers before he bump up to 10 or 11. So as you can see here, I'm taping up the thing so I can polish it. So here comes the polish. Okay, after I polish, I'm going to oil the fretboard. Here's the saddle. So I'm going to shave it down. This is the saddle after I shave it down. Looks pretty good. Okay, this is the continuation. The string. After that, final setup before I test the guitar. Oh, by the way, if you need any setup work, you can give me a call. WhatsApp is even better. I mainly do setups and electric work. So if you need some electronic upgrades, you can just give me a call or WhatsApp. That will do too. So here I'm cleaning up the sides and back. That looks pretty new. Okay, this is the final product. Spanking clean. And here's the test. Okay, boss, guitar ready. Set up to 0.9. I shaved down the saddle and adjusted a bit of the nut. So far the guitar is pretty low. So this is note test. Okay, all good. Let me know when you want to pick up. See you soon. Bye. Okay, so if you need my help, 84189951. You can WhatsApp me. Bye.